The barbell front squat with straps primarily targets the quadriceps while also engaging the core and upper back to maintain an upright posture. If the traditional front rack grip position is uncomfortable for your wrists, using and gripping the lifting straps allows you to maintain a strong front rack position without requiring excessive wrist mobility. Here's how to do it correctly. Set a barbell on a squat rack at about shoulder height and attach lifting straps to the bar, spacing them shoulder width. Grab the straps near the bar and position the bar on the front of your shoulders just above your collarbone. Keep your elbows up and pointing forward to create a secure front rack position. Unrack the bar by standing tall, then step back into your squat stance with feet about shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Keep your chest up and core tight, then lower into a squat by bending your knees and hips while maintaining high elbows. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor or as low as your mobility allows. Drive your feet through the floor to stand back up, fully extending your hips and knees at the top. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.